Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cook fresh chicken liver with its own blood. This is chicken livers by Sainsbury's. So we got chicken livers and we need salt, dry lime, this is dry lime, and one onion to chop an onion. Now I chop one onion into small pieces. And we take one dry lime. We put hole in two sides for the flavor to come. Dry lime. So now we add the chicken livers into a pan. With its own blood. And then the lime, dry lime, some salt, and finally chopped onion. And we add some water. That's it. Now it's ready to be cooked freshly, to be boiled. So we start the cooker here. And we leave it about, depends on your cooker, this is electric cooker, so we leave it about 20 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, the chicken livers boiling, so we will mix a little bit. And leave it again about 10 minutes extra. Now it's 20 minutes and chicken liver has been boiled properly and ready to be served. Now chicken liver is ready to be served. First of all, we get rid of the dry lime because this is only for flavor, to give nice flavor, so we get rid of it. And then we add the freshly cooked chicken liver to a plate with its soup. So delicious. And add in some mint. Mint is very healthy. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please, if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe for more different videos. Thank you.